Oh, my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. It's been a long time since I posted a video, and I really not ready to post one, but I keep getting into different projects and I never get anything done, so I thought I'd better do like a point in time here. But I rearranged all my printers. I built some carts, and I have a rolling cart for the big rat rig, and right now I try to move it and I got it off the base, so I've got to have my grandson help me. But been working on the CoPrint. I spent quite a few days on it, and I've got a little bit of it working, but it's still got a lot of bugs in it. So I'm trying to get the firmware. I've got the hardware pretty well set up. So here's the 4 extruders, and then I've only got 2 of the Bowden tubes hooked up, but having trouble with it getting to start printing correctly. I got the rat rig over here, and then the other thing I did with the new rat rig, I put I'm sorry, that was a Prusa. I don't know if I said rat rig, but anyway, I put a screen on this so I can control it and see what's going on from the printer itself now. And that took a while to get that set up. Then the other big project I'm going now, trying to get the Bambu converted to a different set of firmware. In that Bambu's made an announcement that they're going to start locking the printer down. So it's sort of like if you had a car and if you wanted to use remote start, you had to sign up for a subscription. Not quite that bad, but it's getting there. So I decided to try to get an alternative set of software on there, and I've spent all day trying to figure out how to do that and just moving everything around. I redid all my filament storage, and that's working out a lot better. I've got it all in one spot now. Except for the open PLA, I don't have it up in the rafters anymore. So that's a big change. It's just one little thing after another, but keep working on it. And something else. But and I got my cameras mounted. They're up here, so I can watch everything from upstairs. Still getting those all set up. But I'm using the wiring that we put in a couple months ago, the AC wiring. So I've got it running 2 plugs on each of these carts. So it's just one little step at a time, and I keep taking 1 step forward, 2 steps backwards, it seems like. But that's where everything's at. I'm real happy with the rat rig though, because now I can actually work on it without getting a ladder out. And this camera is going to help a lot. So I'm not sure if I want to do another case. I'd like to have one I could tilt back and forth. But and then something else I've been printing. These little utility knives, or box knives. They're a real easy print, and it's 3 pieces. You got the actual holder, I guess, then the blade guide, and then a little clip that goes on the front. So the 3 pieces snap together and you get a complete utility knife. And the blades are just standard utility blades. And I think I got 100 of those for about $10, so about a dime a piece. And the plastic's probably about a nickel to a dime a piece. So really nice little gadgets. And I printed this just for the heck of it. It's a little like trash can. And it printed just like this, nothing to do, it just take it off and it works. But no, and I don't know if I showed this before. This is Kansas City's Union Station. Used to be the train station built in, I think, 1914, something like that. But my wife went down there with our grandkids, and she saw that they were selling ornaments, and the ornaments were more like this size. And they were $45 each, so she said, I'll bet you could make that. And luckily I didn't have to design it. Somebody already had a design on there. I just had to modify a little bit. But those have been fun to print. And then I got a bunch of chip clips I printed. So I'm keeping it busy, but thanks for watching.